Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through fixing common issues with your wireless adapter or access point. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing problems with your wireless connection, there are a couple of straightforward solutions that can often resolve the issue. The first and simplest step involves power cycling your network equipment and your computer. Begin by turning off your router. If you have a separate modem, power that down as well. Then, shut down your computer. Allow a minute for all devices to fully power off. Next, turn on your router and wait until all its indicator lights are stable, signifying that it is reconnected to your internet service provider. Once the router lights are steady, you can then switch on your computer. This process allows your computer to properly obtain an IP address and re-establish a stable network connection. If power cycling does not resolve the problem, the next step is to ensure your network drivers are up to date. To do this, search for Device Manager on your computer and open it. In Device Manager, expand the section labeled Network Adapters. Locate your MediaTek wireless adapter in the list, right-click on it, and select the option to update drivers. Follow the on-screen prompts to search for and install any available driver updates. This can often resolve compatibility issues or bugs that may be affecting your wireless performance. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.